Hello guys, today I will teach you how to link text on Discord. Please follow my step and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. So first, insert open and close bracket and open and close parenthesis. Inside the bracket, you will type text, and inside the parenthesis, you will insert the link. The link you will insert is included the http or the www dot, like this, like that. So if you enter, you will see here a text, the accessible text that will direct to this link. And if you want just text only, I will show you how to do that. So type open and close bracket, open and close parenthesis, text, link, and you will insert pointy brackets like this, like that. And the other one is in front here, like that. After that, you will enter, and you will see here it's just a text only. So thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoy and follow my steps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.